The artistry of Bill Pattison captures those fleeting moments in time. This noted artist, instructor, and Indiana native has gained international prominence and popularity with collectors. Pattison studied art at LaSalle Institute, Washington School of Art in Portland, Oregon, and Indiana Wesleyan University in Marion, Indiana. He has been listed in Who's Who in American Art, Encyclopedia of Living Artists, and Who's Who in limited editions. Having taught over 15,000 students, his art class at Indiana University was once featured on the CBS program This Morning. In addition, Pattison has exhibited and won over 100 awards through juried shows, including Phoebus Touring Artist in Athens, Greece, Montserrat Gallery in New York, and Art Showcase in Toronto, Canada. Pattison has painted over 600 commissioned portraits and has been featured in numerous publications, including Collector's Editions, Decor, U.S. Art, Collector's Mart, Manhattan Arts Artists in the 1990s, and Good Old Days. He's a past member of the Board of Directors of Hellenic Arts Institute, New York City.